Hello everyone, welcome back again to Lydia's Kitchen. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I share with you how to make a delicious and very simple pork stew recipe. I hope you will like and enjoy this recipe. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share if you do enjoy this recipe. And without wasting much time, let's get started. So I have here nicely cleaned pork feet that I've already cut into smaller pieces. I also have here crushed tomatoes, ginger, garlic, onions, rosemary, sage and habanero peppers, and also some other ingredients which I'll be using later. So in a blender I've added the ginger, garlic, onion, sage, and I'm going to blend it into it. So I have here in the saucepan the pork, so I'll add some of the blended mixture. I'll also add some vegetable seasoning. So I'll go ahead and mix it very well, and I'll also add about 2 to 3 cups of water to it, and I'll let it cook on a medium heat for about 15 to 20 minutes until it's well done and tender. So the pork has been cooking for a while now and it's now tender. I will take it off the heat and set it aside, and we'll continue with the process. So please keep watching till the end, and if you are enjoying this recipe at this point, please don't forget to subscribe, like and also share. Next, in another saucepan, I've heated the oil. To it I've added 1 chopped onion. So I'll go ahead and fry it to infuse the oil. Next, I'll add the rest of the blended mixture. I'll also add a tablespoon of tomato puree or tomato paste. I'll stir it and allow it to simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. All the list of the ingredients will be listed in the description box down below. Next, I'll add in the crushed tomatoes. So I'll continue to keep stirring and let it simmer on a low heat, and I'll also add some spices to it. For the seasoning, I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of curry powder, a tablespoon of cumin and coriander powder, and a tablespoon of turmeric powder. I'll go ahead and mix it very well. At this point, I'll add in the cooked pork, which is nice and tender, and I'll stir it again. And please, if you're not a big fan of pork, you can as well use any protein of your choice, like beef or chicken, for this recipe. And please, if you are interested in this video, please continue to watch until the end, and please don't skip any parts of this video. Thank you all so much for your support. And if you are new here on my channel, a warm welcome to you, and thank you all so much for being part of this amazing channel. I have posted a lot of delicious and amazing recipes on my channel, so kindly please consider watching them, and I hope you will like and enjoy them. I'll also add in some chopped onions for crunchiness, but it's totally optional, and some spring onions or scallions. And just look at this, so delicious and smelling so good. Delicious pork stew. You can have this with yam or rice. If you do enjoy this recipe, don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and also share. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Until then, bye, and continue to have a blessed week.